Have you ever followed advice about over-under trading only to end up losing money? Maybe someone told you that over 5 is safer than under 5, or that you should always double your stake after a loss. The problem is, a lot of what traders believe about over-under isn't actually true, alright? And this means are quietly draining people's accounts every single day. Now, in today's video, I'm going to expose 5 of the biggest over-under myths that are costing traders money. And if you're a beginner or even an experienced trader, this video might completely change the way you trade. Let us get started. Now, myth number 1 is one digit is safer than the other. Now, one of the biggest misconceptions is that certain predictions are naturally safer, okay? You'll hear things like always trade under 8, over 1 never loses, under 5 is the safest truth, and is the safest trade, and here's the truth. Every new tick is generated independently. A previous result does not make the next one more likely. Now, yes, some predictions have a higher payout percentages because of their probabilities, but that doesn't mean they are safe, all right? A trade with a high win rate can still lose several times in a row. If you believe a certain digit can never disappoint you, you're setting up yourself for unnecessary losses. The key isn't finding a magical digit. The key is managing risk, okay? Yeah, now that is number 1. Number 2, if I lose 3 times, the next one must be a win. This is probably the most expensive myth in trading, okay? Now imagine under 5 loses 4 times. Many traders immediately think there is no way it loses again. So they increase their stake, then it loses again. Why? Because every contract is independent. The market does not owe you a win because you have lost several trades, okay? The mindset is known as the gambler's fallacy, and I've always spoken about this, and it destroys accounts, okay? Never assume you are due for a winning trade simply because you have been losing, okay? Please never do that. Myth number 3, Martingale will always recover my losses. Now, Martingale sounds amazing on paper and it helps a lot, but it doubles after every loss. Eventually, one win recovers everything, okay? Simple, right? Not really. How is it? How is it so? Now, the problem is that losing streaks happen. Now, imagine this sequence. You lose, you double. You lose again, you double. You lose again, you double. Very quickly, your stake, basically the stake you're risking becomes very huge. Now, eventually, you'll either hit your account limit, exceed your comfort level, or panic before recovery. And Martingale does not remove risk. Okay? It postpones it while making it much bigger. So if you're to use it being very careful and ensure your stop loss is not hit. Alright? Yeah, that is why many traders end up blowing their accounts during just one bad session, because the martingale keeps on doubling, but you keep on believing maybe it will recover. And sometimes the market can be really, really bad, such that even the bot is unable to recover that particular time. So if you do not stop the bot will destroy your account. Okay? Myth number 4. More trades mean more profits. Okay? Many traders think, if I take 100 trades today, I'll definitely make more money. Actually, the opposite is often true. Many trades usually mean more emotional decisions, more mistakes, more unnecessary entries, and more commission or losses, okay? Professional traders don't trade every opportunity, they wait, okay? Sometimes, and I've always said, sometimes the best trade you can take is the one you don't take, okay? Quality will always beat quantity, okay? Sorry. Myth number 5. Watching YouTube strategies is enough, okay? I know in our channel we have a lot of strategies, but this one actually might surprise you. Now, many traders spend hours watching strategy videos. They know dozens of setups, but their account balance never grows. Why? Because knowledge isn't the same as execution. A strategy only works if you follow the rules, manage your money, you stay disciplined, and remain consistent. Even the best strategy will fail if you ignore risk management, okay? Success comes from applying what you learn, not just collecting more strategies, all right? You have to apply it, practice it in your demo. Once you see you're consistently profitable, that is when you transition, okay? If you see you're making some losses on your demo, figure out why, ask questions, get good at the strategies you have, all right? That is the only way you can end up being profitable, okay? Now, instead of asking what is the best over-under strategy, ask yourself, am I risking too much? Am I over-trading? Am I following my rules? Am I being patient? These questions will improve your results far more than chasing another secret strategy, okay? So those are the 5 biggest over-under myths that could be costing you money on Deriv. And please remember, there is no magical prediction. Losing streaks happen. Martingale isn't a guarantee. More trades does not equal more profits. And discipline beats strategy hopping every single time, okay? Yeah, so Now I'd like to hear from you guys. Which of these myths have you believed before? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future Deriv tutorials. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.